Good afternoon, everyone. It is Tuesday, September 4th, and we are with you today for Live in Liberty, your week's worth of events. Of course, yesterday being a holiday, we were closed, so what we normally do on Monday, we're doing on Tuesday this week. If you do not hear your event mentioned, there are 3 ways you can get us that information. You can always give us a call at 368-4445. You can shoot an email with event details to tourism@libertycounty.org. Or you can upload them yourself onto our website, which is www.libertycounty.org under the Calendar tab. All right, today, Tuesday the 4th, there's free enrollment renewal assistance for Medicaid and Peach Care for Kids, and that's from 9 to 4 at United Way on MLK. WorkSource Coastal Huntsville Job Center has youth GED classes today from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. They also have an orientation workshop from 3 to 4 p.m. and an adult GED class from 6 to 9 p.m. The Huntsville Live Oak Public Library has their Coastal Campaign for Healthy Kids today from 4 to 7 p.m. And then they also have, Medicare 101 from 6 to 7 p.m. The City of Riceboro will have their council meeting today at Riceboro City Hall beginning at 6 p.m. The Huntsville Fort Stewart Shrine Club will have their 33rd annual golf tournament from 9 to 5. Also, Liberty County 4-H Ice Cream Social is today at 4:30 until 6 at the Liberty County 4-H office, which is 100 Main Street, Suite 1200. And then the Liberty County Board of Commissioners will have their meeting today beginning at 6 p.m. On Wednesday the 5th, there's Coffee and Conversation all about art. That's at 10 a.m. at Southern Suites. The Midway Riceboro Library will have Open Computer Lab from 5 to 6 p.m. and then the Coastal Campaign for Healthy Kids at 4 p.m. WorkSource Coastal Huntsville Job Center will have youth GED classes from 8 to 5 and then adult GED classes from 6 to 9. They will have weekly Wednesday trivia at the USO, Fort Stewart Hunter Army Airfield from 6 to 8 p.m. and then a ladies' night painting class at JAS Joy's Art Studio at 7 p.m. On Thursday the 6th, WorkSource Coastal Huntsville Job Center will have their youth GED classes from 8 to 5, an orientation workshop from 9 to 10, resume building workshop from 2 to 3, and an address for success workshop from 3 to 4. The Midway Riceboro Library will have story time for ages 0 to 5 at 11 a.m. Huntsville Council will meet at 3 o'clock. The Huntsville Farmers Markets from 3 to 7 at Bradwell Park. The September art exhibit featuring Caitlin Fagala at the Huntsville Area Arts Council will have an opening reception beginning at 5:30 until 7, and that is free. And then the Huntsville Live Oak Public Library story time is at 11 a.m. Lego Club is at 4 p.m. and the Comic Book Club is at 6 p.m. On Friday the 7th, there's a baby play date opportunity for ages 0 to 3 at the Huntsville Library at 10:30 a.m. Medicare 101 at the Midway Library from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. And then Tara Ruby Photography will have her ribbon cutting here at our offices, 208 East Court Street, beginning at noon until 12:30. Liberty County High School versus Evans County High School home game, 7:30 p.m. Friday Night Flicks Jack Ryan premiere and watch party at USO Fort Stewart begins at 6 p.m. And then there's a blacklight psychedelic painting at Azure Creativity Art Studio inside the Huntsville Area Arts Council from 7 to 9 p.m. On Saturday the 8th, the Liberty County Proud and Healthy 5K at James Brown Park. Registration begins at 8 a.m. Beginning pistol class at Liberty Training in Midway from 8 a.m. to 12 noon. There's a kayak and brunch at Dunham Farms beginning at 8:15 a.m. A healthy family cooking event at Fort Stewart USO at 11:30 a.m. And then Fort Stewart Marne Community Pass Day at Taylor's Creek Golf Course at 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. Then the main event car and bike show at Liberty Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Crafts for the Clumsy, book wreaths at the Midway Library at 10 a.m. And then the second Saturday block party at Bradwell Park, brought to you by the Huntsville Downtown Development Authority, is from 5 to 10 p.m. On Sunday the 9th, there's again another kayak and brunch opportunity with Dunham Farms from 9 to 11 a.m. There is a cost to attend that. We encourage you to go to our website to find out more information. And then Azure Art Studio will have pre-registration for their variety art classes ages 5 to 6 and sewing classes ages 7 to 16, which take place on Sunday afternoon. Some other events that are still continuing to happen are Meals for the Homeless in Huntsville. The Liberty County Manor House continues to feed people Monday through Friday from 4 to 6 p.m. Westside Baptist Church on Saturdays from 5 to 7 p.m. And the Cathedral of Praise says Sunday 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. And they're also serving lunch on Tuesday and Thursday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. As always, we have to get up, get out, and explore Liberty.